In this video, we will discuss how to simplify the fractions or how to cancel down the fractions. Let's discuss it with some example. So example 1 is simplify 18 over 24. So whenever you have a fraction, the top one is the number on the top one is known as a numerator and the number on the bottom one is known as a denominator. So whenever we are simplifying the fraction, we will divide the top and the bottom by the same number till they won't go further. So we have the numbers 18 over 24. So now we are going to look at the times table and see in which times table both of the numbers come. So we will divide it by that number. We have 18 and we have 24. So we can divide 18 by 3 and we can divide 24 by 3 as well. So because these are the same numbers, so it means we can divide it by 3. So 18 by 3 gives you 6 and 24 by 3 gives you 8. Now we see again we have 6 and 8 and we can divide them again by 2 because 6 can be divided by 2 and 8 can also be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives you 3 and 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. And we see that we have 3 and 4 and we cannot divide them by the same table, so this is your simplified fraction. Let's discuss some more examples. So example 2 is simplify 12 over 8. So we have the number 12 over 8. We can divide 12 by 2 and we can divide 8 by 2 as well. So it means we can take the number 2 and divide 12 by 2 and divide 8 by 2 as well. So 12 divided by 2 gives you 6 and 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. Now if we see we have 6 and 4, again we can divide them by 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives you 3 and then 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. So now we have 3 and 2 and these cannot be divided by any number, any same number. So it means this is our simplified fraction. Let's try one more example. Simplify 96 over 40. When we are going to simplify 96 over 40, we see that we will start from the smallest table. So if we see, we can divide 96 by 2. So we have the numbers 96 and 40 and we can divide 96 by 2 and we can divide 40 by 2 as well. So 96 by 2 gives you 48 and 40 divided by 2 gives you 20. Now if we see again we can divide them by the same number, that is we can take 2 and then divide them by 2 and 40 divided by 2 gives you 24 and 20 divided by 2 gives you 10. Now we have 24 and 10 and we can again divide it by 2. So 24 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 gives you 12 and 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. Now we are left with 12 and 5 and there is no times table or there is no number which can divide both the numbers. So it means this is our simplified form, simplified fraction. I hope the concepts are clear. You can try some practice question. You to simplify 22 over 14 and 108 by 27. I hope the concepts are clear. That's it for today's video. I'll meet you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.